welcome the Philippine Moto Heritage Weekend 2019. And this is also our second anniversary for Ride PH. What's the importance of celebrating our local moto heritage? Every year na lang pagka-anniversary ng Ride PH. Heritage is usually associated with quality, with decades of trust in every brand. With Ride PH celebrating year after year dito sa anniversary namin, we want also to celebrate the things that last, things associated with heritage.
Marami pang mangyayari tomorrow. We have the TGR, we have the Scrambler Day by Ducati, and lots more. So may isang araw pa tayo, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Punta po kayo dito sa Metro 10, dito sa Pasig City. See you!